So today's lesson is going to be Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Great one for beginners, just got 3 chords, which are A, D and E, super easy. So let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, there's only 3 chords for this one. Chord number 1 is an A chord. That's third one down from the top, number 2, so this note here. String underneath that, fret 2. String underneath that, fret 2. And we strum all the strings except the top thickest E. If you do hit that one by accident, again, I've probably showed this in previous videos, but pop that thumb over the top just to mute that low E string. Just means you can get away with playing all of the strings at the same time, okay? So there's your A chord. Chord number 2, we've got a D chord, so that's third one up from the bottom, fret 2, bottom string number 2, then middle string, fret number 3. So that's the bottom 3 strings, we've got fingers on there. We're going to strum the bottom 4 strings, so including the open D string as well. That's D. The other chord we need is an E chord, so that's third one up from the bottom, fret 1. So this note here, string above, fret 2, string above that, fret 2, and we're going to strum all the strings for this one. So let's quickly recap on them chords. So we had an A chord first, that's this one, a D chord, and an E chord. Cool, so now we've got the chords, let's start learning the verse and the chorus and the strumming pattern. Okay, cool, so now we've got the chords down, we're going to start learning the strumming pattern. Song starts on the chorus. The chords we need for the chorus are A again, D, and A, and we do that chord progression twice. Now the strumming pattern we want is we're going to hit the bass note of each chord first and then strum. So for the case of the A, we're going to hit that A note and then strum the chord afterwards. And we're going to do 2 lots of 8s. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then again 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 bar of D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and then it just does that progression again. So let's go again, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1 round of an A. So that is the chorus. I'm just going to do it a little faster if you want to try and join in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Back to the A. Yeah, cool. So that's the choruses. If you got that down, let's move on to the verse. Okay guys, so if you've got the chorus down, we're going to move on to the verse now. The song actually starts on the chorus, so next up is the verse. The chords we need in the verse are A, E, A, and D, and it just does that twice, okay? We're going to continue with the 8th note strumming pattern, so that was bass note strum on every chord. And it's just going to be 8 strums on each chord, so that's an A first, 7, 8, 8 on an E, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 on an A, and then 8 on a D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we just repeat that again, so it's the A again, and then the E, then the D, and then the A. Okay, so I'm going to go straight through if you want to join in with me. Here we go. Then to the E, A, D, back to the A, and then the E, D, Cool, so that's the verses. Okay guys, so that concludes today's lesson on Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. Hope it's been super helpful for you. If it has, please do give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.